Hi, I'm Greg Neely,
And I'm Chris Dennis.
and we're BioAI.
We are looking to harness the power of evolution to design synthetic molecules and medicines. But what's the problem? How can we effectively design new, highly functional biologic tools and medicines?
So our solution is Proteus, a living biological AI platform. So Proteus uses evolution as computation, designing molecules inside living cells. It's fast, scalable, and biologically authentic. So who would want to use Proteus? We think biotech, pharma, researchers, and the government will all have interest in this technology.
There are many competitors in the market, back dating all the way to 1972 with the advent of in vitro synthetic biology technologies like cloning and in vitro validation. In the late 80s, we had the advent of bacterial and yeast-directed evolution, which uses manual rounds of diversification and functional optimization in bacteria or yeast. And then recently, back in 2021, we have the introduction of in silico design tools like AlphaFold. These are large language models trained on DNA, RNA, and protein sequences.
So how is our solution different? Well, for in vitro synthetic biology, it lacks cellular complexity. This is done in vitro in like a test tube. With bacterial yeast directed evolution, it's missing the mammalian context. So you can evolve and change proteins, but then they won't fit in the system that they need to be used in. And for in silico design, like Google's AlphaFold, the limitation is that it's trained on current biodiversity, but not all possible biodiversity.
So we're really excited to use Proteus because we think of it as both powerful and practical. We've already used it to evolve a couple proteins of research value, but we now want to maximize the positive impact and introduce it into industry. It's modular, it's adaptable, and it's broadly applicable to a wide market. There's over $460 billion of an addressable market if we look at mRNA therapeutics, gene editing, nanobodies, growth factors, and even other biologics.
So why is Chris the entrepreneur lead and best suited for this project? Well, he designed and invented the technology. He knows more than anyone else about this technology and how it works, and he understands the true potential of this technology. So together, me and Chris are deeply motivated to use this technology for positive outcomes.
And I just want to demonstrate my commitment to the program and the PERIscope system. Thank
Thank
you.
you.